Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this chick and duck feeder and watering kit. Alright, so today we've got our feeder and our watering kit. This is for chicks, ducks, quails. This is a starter feeding kit. It does come in several different colors. I did purchase the orange, but they do offer this in green and yellow. So this is recommended for small, medium, and large breeds. This one is a really nice feeder in water. It is super easy to put together. You just take this little piece right here, flip it on the bottom. You can hang it or you can actually let it sit on the ground. Raised for healthy, happy chicks. It's the perfect size for any chicks enclosures. Easy to clean and refill. This is super easy to hang. The water adjusts to 3 different heights. You've got the floor one, the second one, and then you've got the third one. So it goes from small, medium to large. This is a really nice, sturdy feeder. The feeder is also perfect for quail feeding, duck feeders, as it is essential for baby chick supplies. It is made from strong BPA-free plastic. It works well with chicken feeds, dispensers, quails, chick starters. It is a great alternative to a chicken feeder rack. So this one here has enough holes in here to feed many chickens or ducks. In fact, I did get chickens and ducks and they just love this. And then again here, you just put your water at the bottom. This is the first way. You could just set it like this as 1, and this one lifts up as 2. So you just pop these up like this. So that lifts it up a little bit, and if you want to go higher, there's another thing here at the bottom. You just pop that up on each side of it. So that is the 3rd tier. So now it's up even higher off the floor so your chicks or ducks don't get dirt inside of it. It is a twist top, so you just put it in there, you twist it, and then you flip it upside down. So not only can you put this on the floor, but you can also hang it. It does have these little clips right here, so you can hang this. So if you do not want it on the bottom on the floor and you want to hang it, it does give you the options to hang it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this together, add some food and water, and then I'm going to stick it in my chick pen. Right now they are currently inside because it is cold, and I just got these not too long ago. So as soon as they are big enough, I will be putting them outside in their coop. But at the meantime, I am just having them inside the house in the little box with their heating lamp. So you do get instructions in here, but it is simple, easy. So I'm just going to go add some feed and some water in here, and then I'll show you when I come back with my chicks. Alright, so now I got some food in there for my chicks. I also got some water. You can see that it does feed enough chicks. Even my ducks are getting in there. So not is it limited to chickens, but you got ducks, quails, any small animals, as well as the water. So my chicks can get in there because I did have a flat bowl in there and my duck kept spilling out all the water. So if you want to keep the water inside and keep them watered and fed, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. This one is super nice. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it does a good job with feeding your baby chicks.